Well, here's the returned Jules Huguenin cleaned base plate. It should be just beautiful. And indeed it is. Just gorgeous. Beautiful. So we'll assemble that today. And, you know, that's all the parts. It's not like it's a ton of parts. So let's see here. Before we go down the rabbit hole, the first thing we're going to need to do is put on that base plate, that beautiful cleaned base plate. That guy right there. Beautiful, and it lets us know which direction it's going in. Pretty sure it goes in from the back because the patterns match up. There we go. A little better. A little better. Looks like it goes in just like that. And as a matter of fact, it falls in place. That's how well built it is. It just falls in place. And that's one screw. I'm right in the light here. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All of the noises, creaks and groans. You can see that this is just superior machining. Just superior machining. And the perlage on this side is not the same as the perlage on the other side. And I just love saying the word perlage, so I say it as much as I can because it is such an amazing art form. I mean, is that machining or is that an art form? That sure looks like an art form to me. Okay, let's put this other one in. And these are probably the smallest screws on the entire watch. Well, there's one smaller. If you can guess where that one is. It's right next to what we're working on here. Sometimes you just have to be really quiet, and the watch will tell you what it needs. The watch will tell you what it needs. I hope my ear wasn't in the shot. Probably was. Okay, so that's those guys. And if I've learned anything about working on watches, is that snug is different than tight. And very few things should be tight. Now, this pin right here was actually rusted to the gear. And I had to press that out with my Inverto press staking kit. I had to press that out of the gear, and then it was screwed in. You can't see it, but it's screwed into that right there. And so I screwed it back in. I set that the way it needs to be set. And now you can see all of the gear train that we worked on that was inside of this is all now here ready. Now, one thing I wanted to do was I wanted to check and make sure that the balance works on this. So let's check that out first.